Marketing competition and customer. Crazy IGCSE Business Studies 0450. Welcome back to Crazy IGCSE. For those of you who are new to my channel, hi, this is Crazy IGCSE, where you can study 7 IGCSE subjects which include business, economics, accounting, biology, physics, maths, and English as second language. So here is IGCSE at your fingertips. Please do subscribe and like. This is the syllabus content for it. We're going to look at the role of marketing and market changes in this video, and the second part of this video will be about the niche marketing, mass marketing, and market segmentation. So now let's look at what are the roles of marketing. Roles of marketing is mainly to identify the consumer needs and then to satisfy them. Second, it is to keep the customers loyal, which means to maintain the customer loyalty so that the consumers keep on coming to the same business to purchase goods or services. Then to gather information about customers so that to know what are their preferences, what is the current market trend. Then recognize how customers' needs are changing. You need to see how the taste and preferences change over time and then satisfy those needs. The goals of marketing include to develop products which will meet the consumer needs and wants, to promote the product to the customers efficiently and successfully, and to increase the sales of the product, also to target a new market. Why do consumer spending pattern changes? So consumer spending pattern changes because the consumer taste and fashion change, or if there is new technology being developed, which means introduction of new technology, then changes in the consumer income. For example, if you are earning a medium salary, you're gonna buy a product of a normal range, a priced product. But then if your salary increases, you might buy a slightly more expensive product. Also, if there is an aging population. Now, one thing you need to remember, if you are doing marketing or if as a marketing agency, businesses must respond to changes. It is vital for them to respond to changes, or else the product will end and the product life cycle, it will be on the last stage, which is on the decline stage. So businesses need to respond to the changes to ensure that their business does not fail. Why have some markets become more competitive? There are 3 reasons. First is globalization. Globalization is when business can sell their products worldwide. Now today, if you see, all the products are being consumed from different countries through globalization. Then nowadays there is a better transportation link which allows the products to be distributed all over the world. It is much easier to sell the products elsewhere. Also, now we have internet or e-commerce, which is also online shopping, which allows customers to purchase goods from all around the world. How can businesses respond to increased competition? So first they need to develop and maintain the customer loyalty, because if that customer loyalty is made, then that customer base will always remain the proper amount and it will also start increasing. So then the customers will also keep increasing. Keep improving the products, which means increase the features of the products, bring up new features to make it more appealing and new, and develop new ones too, which will meet the consumer needs and wants. Keep the costs low to remain competitive so that you ensure that you get more sales, because consumers will be encouraged if the prices are low. Then make the products better than the competitors' products so that you are being competitive enough for not losing sales to the to the competitors. Also, now that I'm sorry for that, this is the end of the video. I hope you found this video useful. Please like, subscribe and share, and thank you for watching Crazy IGCSE.